Hello everybody, welcome back. This is video 22 about question 22 in this AP Physics C Mechanics multiple choice test. The question here reads, a 1,500 kilogram car is pushing a 4,000 kilogram truck. The car and truck are accelerating at 2.0 meters per second squared. Assuming that the frictional force on the truck is negligible, what force is the truck exerting on the car? So again, it might help to draw a little diagram here. I'm just going to draw a car as a block to simplify things. This is 1,500 kilograms, and it's pushing a 4,000 kilogram truck. They're accelerating at 2 meters per second squared. Let's bring it in a little bit closer. So that's the diagram we're going to use for now. What this problem is dealing with is, again, Newton's second law. This is a very essential topic in Physics C mechanics. Newton's second law, very simple formula to remember for this. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. And again, another essential component that you're going to need to remember for mechanics is Newton's third law, so this is second law, and his third law is about opposite and equal forces. So it's saying the force that one object exerts on the other object also exerts an equal but opposite force on the first object. So this can be written as, I'll write it out and then I'll write a little abbreviation for it. So third law. Alright, opposite but equal force. Every force has its opposite. This can be written as, let's call this the smaller car A and this one B. This can be written as the force of A on B is equal but opposite to the force of B on A. Alright, let's apply that to this situation. So, what we are trying to find out is what force is the truck exerting on the car. First, let's find out what the car is exerting on the truck. So we have a 1,500 kilogram car and a 4,000 kilogram truck. They're accelerating at 2 meters per second. This is great that we already have the acceleration. We can pop that straight into this equation. The only thing we have to worry about now is mass. So it's saying what force is the truck exerting on the car. So what the car is doing is it's pushing 4,000 kilograms. It's pushing 4,000 kilograms and accelerating it at 2 meters per second. So the opposite of that is going to be that the truck is exerting 4,000 kilograms of mass times its acceleration on the car. So we can pop that 4,000 kilograms into the equation, because that is the force, that is the mass of the truck, which is what the car is pushing. The car is exerting that amount of force times acceleration on the truck, so the truck is exerting the same on the car. The same, obviously, but negative in the negative direction. But since all these answers are positive, we're just not going to have to worry about negatives or positive. It's all the same sign. So 4,000 times our acceleration 2 is equal to 8,000 newtons. And that's right here. Our answer is D. Alright. Let me know if you have any questions about this one. It can be confusing which of these numbers you should use, the 1,500 versus the 4,000. Some you might think, let's add them together, and then you're going to get 5,500 times 2. That's how you get to the E, which is false. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to just use the the mass of the truck. If you just use the mass of the car, you're going to end up with B. I'm not sure how you could end up with C, or A for that matter, but D is going to be the correct answer in this case. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about Newton's second or third law, about force, about acceleration. Like and comment. Thank you for watching, and get ready for video number 23.